Hi, my name is Heidi and I own the store TPT, the Lesson Pony. Today I'm going to show you one of my most favorite labs. It's very simple to use. Students often have trouble finding the constellations in the sky. You can do star maps so you're blue in the face, but it just doesn't make sense. I brought out the materials that you need to make a simple stargazer. First thing you do is you need a manila folder, scissors, Scotch tape, and clear plastic wrap. What you do is you cut out 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch around and have outside of the folder. You then, here's a completed one, tape the inside with plastic wrap. On this video at the end, I have given you the templates. Here's the one for the Big Dipper. I don't know if you can see it. I have a little trouble here. Let me put it on like this. There, now you can see it. Have the students take the template. It is going to be on a clear piece of paper. And what they do is, you can use fingernail polish or you can use white corrector. It's kind of harder to find white corrector than it used to be. So I would stick with the fingernail polish. And you make the dots like this. This is Orion. At night, have your students, with permission from a parent, or if they're allowed to go on their own, go outside and line it up to where the constellations is. It's not a perfect correct lineup, but it's close enough that they will get to know what the constellations are. The constellations is something that once you get to know what they are, they're very easy to find. The lesson is posted on Teachers Pay Teacher in case you want to have a hard copy. Please subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this. Also, let me know please in the comments below if there are any labs you'd like me to demonstrate or to post. I taught school for over 20 years and I have so many lessons, and my goal here is to make life as easy as I can for you. Thank you for watching. And he doesn't go on anymore.